Good morning everyone. Today we will be doing the demo and assembly of Ecotec 2G wheelchair. It is made by Detachable Healthcare. Let's start with the opening of it. So this wheelchair comes with a wheelchair body. That's the entire wheelchair and two legs. Let's start the assembly now. To assemble this wheelchair, you simply have to expand the seat downwards, push it a bit downwards, and that's it. Your wheelchair is almost ready. Now we'll assemble the leg part. Once the wheelchair is open, you have to make sure that this rod is placed in his lock like this. Similarly, it's both sides on the both ends. Once it's placed and locked, your wheelchair is almost ready. Now we'll assemble the both foot. To put this leg, you just simply have to keep it like this and rotate it to 90 angle. Now it's locked. When you hear the voice of click, that means it's locked. Similarly on the other side, and it's locked now. To remove it, you just simply have to press this lever like this and rotate it to the 90 angle, remove it. So this hand lever is semi-detachable. You just have to simply press this and you can put it on the back side and make the patient shift easily. Similarly, to close it, you just have to press the lever again and let it lock. Now it's locked. As this wheelchair can be self-driven by patients as well, so this requires a handbrake within the reach of patient. So now our wheelchair is locked. Just to remove the brake, you simply have to push the lever and your wheelchair is ready to move. On the other side, you will get the brake as well.